That was Bright Size Life by Pat Metheny. Next up, we'll have another playthrough with some different visuals. You'll see a virtual guitar neck, tablature, and standard notation, all with a count in case you want to play along with it. That section will cover the main melody part. Then we'll move into the step-by-step. After the step-by-step, I'll show you a walkthrough of the intro in case you want to play that too. Please help support this free content by liking and subscribing, and be sure to check out the description. Let's get started. Okay, let's work through this step by step. We're starting here in position 4. Okay, and then we're going to play these pairs here, frets 2 and 3. And then move up. I'm kind of sliding. And even at the beginning, I'm not going to go over a lot of the slurs and things, but I'm going to pretty much pluck everything here for demonstration. Okay, and then we're going to go to fret 5 to 7. You can slide or hammer here. Just a little bit of a grace note there. Okay, and then we're going to fret 2, so second position. Okay, and then play these triplets. Now we're going to play string 1 open. Okay, and then we're going to play this pair. Now you could actually hold on to 3 strings here, 2, 3, and 4 on fret 3, but I have just 2 marked there. Okay, then you could play a little grace note into fret 3 from the open string. Okay, 2 open, open 2, and then 3 on string 2. So that's the A section. I'm gonna hold that. You can optionally pluck some strings on this. Just try to fill in some space. Maybe play the D over C. Okay, and each A section has its own unique ending phrase. So here we're gonna play. You can also combine that with some pairs here. F and D, G and E, and then A and F, and then back down. Okay, and then we have our pickup notes, pickup phrase into this again. Going to fret 2 and 3, sliding in 5 to 7. Okay, and then we're going into the B flat, so B flat major 7 sharp 11. Play a little chord under there, and you don't necessarily have to do that. You can focus on the melody. And then open to 3. Okay, again to end another A section, and then we have another unique phrase here. Position 5. Now we play these harmonics here, and this is another optional part on fret 7. Here we get into the bridge. I'll mention here that there's one note that is different from the original recording, and that is the G. Rather than the G, it's an F sharp. But in all the contemporary recordings that I've heard of him playing live and so on, I have this G instead of the F sharp. So we're going to play like this. But if you want to play like the original, you play. But again, we're playing like this. 9, 7, 8, 5, and then we're going to 12, 10, 9. Okay, and then we have this 9 to 12. Okay, and then 10, 8, 7. So 7th position, and then 10, 10. I'm using finger 4 there. Okay, and now we're playing here in position 5. Okay, and then we're gonna just kind of slide in to that fret 9. Okay, so 7, 10, 8, position 7, and then 7, 10 on string 2. Then we're going to 12 to 10. Here we get back to the A section. So just a little back and forth there. Okay, and then again. So I'm doing pick, hammer, hammer, pick, hammer, hammer on that. Sometimes I'll split that up, so I'll go and it's fun to vary it a little bit each time. Okay. So you might hammer there, hold that, and then we have this other unique ending. So we have 6 and 7, 4, 7, F sharp, and then this nice dissonant tone, which gives us the D major 7. Okay, let's talk about the intro a little bit. I don't have any tablature notation written out for this, but I'll show you the shapes. We want to keep this droning D, and you can even isolate it at times if you like. We're going to play like this in position 7. Okay, so we're going to go over through here. Spread out. Make some of those notes short. Okay, so really kind of getting these pairs going on strings 2 and 3 as you drone on the D. Then we're going to go up to the second half. Then we're going to go to position 5. Then we're going to go up. Walk the first finger down. Now he kind of slows down here. Doubles up on those notes and then resolves to the D. And that's where you start this whole line after that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out the description for more resources. Have a great practice session.